Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the boAt BassHeads 152. As you can see, it says super extra bass, and well, let's take a look at the box and see if we can see any other features. So you've got a 3.5mm jack, so if you've got one of the newer phones, you're out of luck, you can't use this. You've got a braided tangle free cable and you've got an inline microphone as well. So let's get the headphones out of the box. Get the box out of the way. Okay, so inside we have the user manual is what we're guessing, and no, it's not exactly a user manual, it's more like a showcase for boAt. Next we've got two pairs of extra buds in here. We're guessing that's the small and large, and the medium will be on the earphones themselves. We've also got a 1-year warranty card, which is nice, and then we've got the earphones themselves. Now, like mentioned on the box, they have a braided cable and they've got a nice little design on them. Let's get this out of the way. So they've also got the buds. The silicone tips are curved inwards. This is usually for a more comfortable fit in your ears, and 3.5mm jack, and you've got the inline microphone, and there's a button on it which we assume you can use to call and to take and receive calls, and that's about it. There you have the boAt BassHeads 152 earphones. Thanks for watching.